Hello traders, welcome back to our channel, the Forex Trends, and I hope you all are doing well. Let's start the today's analysis. Before start the analysis, at first we look what the market has done today. For that, I have shifted the time frame to 4 hour. As the market structure in 4 hour frame, if we mark the structure, it is higher low, higher high. Then this is the higher low, then higher high, then higher low. Okay, this is the last high of the market, and look how market break this structural resistance, that is last resistance of 4 hour frame, and that's why this is the change of character. If I mark here, it is a change of character. If you follow me, you would know that according to the market structure strategy, this was the first trend joining level as per the market structure. Okay, so that means we need to initiate buy from this level. To define this level, I shifted to the 1 hour frame. Let me shift the frame to 1 hour. If you can see in 1 hour frame, if I mark the structure again, this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then high. This is the last high. That means this is a point of trend joining level, that is for a bullish trend. Okay, that will be the structure. If I zoom, you can easily see this is a supply in 1 hour frame. Okay, so it is a second confluence to join this trend, and I mark this level to initiate buy from here. Okay guys, like this. Okay, so as per our strategy, we need to initiate buy from this level when market come to this zone. And other thing, if I plot the FIBO for this swing, you can see this is the 38% retracement level of 1 hour frame, and this is the third confluence to join this trend from this point, and the price was 2355 level. Okay, and I have initiate a buy from this level. For that, I have to switch on small frame. On small frame, when market approaches this zone, that is the 2357 level, at here I have initiated a buy from this level. Okay, after that it gives me near about 80 pips, sorry, near about 80 to 90 pips, I think. Look, it gives 80 pips around. I have booked some profit from this level, that is 60 to 70 pips level, and I shift my SL to break even. Unfortunately, market come back down and hit my break even. After that, I out from this trade, and I initiate again a buy from this zone, that is 2355 level. When market gives evidence of at 5 minute frame, there is a spike from the below, that is the sign of strength in the market as per the volume. If you check the volume in down candle, it is a high volume, that means it is the sign of strength, and I'd initiate a buy again from this level, and I have booked some profit from this level, that is 2366 level, again 50% of the trade, and remaining trade is still running. If you want to see, look, the remaining trade is still running, and my first target is the 2375 level. If market come to 2375 level, I will book some profit here from here, and leave the remaining small lot for a long term, and I will trail my SL. I hope market is near to 2375. Let me close some profit from here. Oh, okay. I have closed some profit from here also. Okay. Now my trade is running, and I will shift my SL to break even. So as simple as that. This is the only way to trade in the Forex market. Okay, guys. So you you should always trade from level to level. Then you will never be a loser in the Forex market. Mind this thing. Okay, guys. You just need to stick strictly to your discipline and have patience. Look the market. How nicely it work today. Every day it work like this. Okay, guys. Every day it work like this. You have only patience. And if I frankly speak, it is many people don't have the patience to watch this entire video. So how will they trade in Forex market? Think once. You have the patience for everything in life. Okay. And I also shared this trade setup on our social media earlier today. If you are not following, there is a link description below. Please follow. You will get update from there also. Okay. Without wasting any more time, let's start the today's session, and let's now see what opportunities are there for today as well as tomorrow. As I always do, I apply top down approach to the market. That's why I shift the time frame to day frame. Look, as I already told you guys on my previous videos, this is this was the support, a strong support in the gold market, that is 2327 level, and market try once, twice, thrice, fourth time, fifth time, every time it get failed to break this support. That means it is a strong support in the market. So now we can see it is a good resistance. There is an alarm for this zone. I have put an alarm for this zone, that is 2380 level. If I get any evidence from this level, 2380 level tonight, I may initiate a sell from here. For that, I need some evidence at 5 minute frame. If market shift the structure at this level or give some evidence from volume at this level, that is 2380 level, I may initiate again a sell from here. Okay, so move back to the day frame. Okay, I think This is a good resistance in dash structure. If market calm down again and close below this price, that is 2361 level, and come down and close the price below 2361 level, we may see some selling on gold for tomorrow, like this. Okay, so it is our first trade setup. If market close below 2360 level tonight, we'll initiate sales from this area, 2360 area, for tomorrow. If market close above this resistance, we may initiate again a buy from this zone. For initiate a buy, we have to refine this zone in smaller time frame, that is 1 hour frame. For that, let me check on 1 hour frame. Okay, if you see in 1 hour frame, as per the structure, if it close above this level, that is 2374 level, and that means in 1 hour frame, if it close above this level, we have another buy position from this zone. This is a good supply. If market come back again to this zone, that is 2358 2360 level, we may initiate again buy from this zone. Okay, so this is our second setup for tomorrow. If market able to break this strong resistance, that is 2380 level, I hope it is not possible for tonight, because we have a big news on tomorrow. It may possible after release of big news that is scheduled on tomorrow. If market break this resistance with momentum candles like this and retest the level again in smaller time frame, we may initiate a buy again from this level up to this level, and this is the 2400 level. Okay, and 2400 level is a big resistance, and we will definitely get some pips from this level if we will sell from this level, that is 2400 level, after getting some evidence. So put an alarm on this level also. If we get the price at this level, we'll initiate a sell from here. Okay, this is our third trade setup for tomorrow. And if we check the economic calendar, look guys, the NFP data will scheduled on 6 p.m. IST tomorrow, and it is forecasted greater than the previous data. And the previous data wise was 175K, and it is now forecasted 186K. Hopefully, as we saw on previous day ADP non-farm employee data, there was some cooling on labor market. In private sector, the employment in the private sector is reducing in US, and if the data actual data will come less than from the forecast, we may see a huge selling on dollar. Okay, and we will plan accordingly for gold and other major pairs, and definitely this news will provide extra volatility on the market tomorrow, so be ready for that. If you see the graph of the NFP, continuously it is cooling down. Okay, so we may see some more less employment in USA tomorrow. That's why we need to we need to keep patience for that. Okay, that's all in fundamental, and after that we have also a unemployment rate news. So these both news will provide extra volatility in the market tomorrow. So if market again break this support like this and retest this zone, this is a good zone, that is 2355 level, we may initiate sell from here up to this level. Okay, so mind this thing also, that is the point of 2355 level. If market break this support, this will be a great zone for initiate buy. Okay, that's all. Trade setup in gold for today as well as tomorrow, and hope for the best. All right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies that really help you trade smarter and more profitably. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. We'll provide you a good strategies and good knowledge through this channel. Okay, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye, guys.